Today we are going to discuss the important question of current affair. Hello friends, I am Vijay and you are watching Current Study. If this video is useful for you, please like, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Let's start today's first question. When is International Labour Day observed? 28 April, 29 April, 30 April, 1 May. Correct option is option D, 1 May. It is also known as May Day. It is celebrated globally every year on 1st May. Here we are talking about the important day. So we will revise the important days from last month to this month sequentially. 1 April, 3 days are observed. Fool's Day, Odisha Foundation Day, RBI Day. 2 April, World Autism Awareness Day. 3 April, World Hindi Theatre Day. 4 April, International Day of Mind Awareness. 5 April, 2 days are observed. World Maritime Day and International Day of Conscience. 6 2 days are observed. World Athlete Day and Mahavir Jayanti Day. 7 World Health Day. And 10 April, 3 days are observed. World Homeopathy Day, Sibling Day or Good Friday. 12 Motherhood Day. 13 Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. 14 Bhimrao Ambedkar Remembrance Day. 15 Art Day. 16 Voice Day. 18 World Heritage Day. And 21 World Creativity and Innovation Day. 22 World Earth Day. 23 2 days are observed. World Book and Copyright Day and English Language Day. 24 National Panchayati Raj Divas and Sachin Tendulkar birthday observed. 25 World Malaria Day and 28 International Dance Day and 30 Ayushman Bharat Day and 1 April International Labour 1 May International Labour Day is observed. These are the important days. Next question. Which state government has launched the Jagan Vidya Jeevan scheme? Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka. Correct option is option A, Andhra Pradesh. This scheme is totally based on fee reimbursement scheme with benefit around 14 lakh college students. Here we are talking about the state Andhra Pradesh. So the important fact related with Andhra Pradesh is the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad and the state animal is black buck and the state bird is Indian roller and the national park is Venkateshwar National Park, Rajiv Gandhi National Park, Papikoda National Park is important national park and the important dams are Nagarjuna Sagar Dams which is built at Krishna River and Sri Salem Dams which is built also the Krishna River and Polavaram Dams which is built at Godavari River is important dams and this was the important fact related with this question. Next question. The largest ozone hole was found above which region? Arctic, Antarctic, Australian region, none of these. Correct option is option B, Arctic region. Why this is in news? This is in news because the ozone hole has closed by itself and information was reported by the researcher. This was the important fact. Next question. What is the theme of World Day for Safety and Health at Work 2020? Safety and health. Safety, health in the use of chemical. Stop the pandemic. Safety and health at work can save lives. None of these. Correct option is option C. Stop the pandemic. Safety and health at work can save lives is correct option. This day is observed every year on 28 April. I like to tell you this is observed first in 2003. Next question. Michael Robinson has passed away in April 2020. He was related to which of the following field? Cricket, football, chess, polo. Correct option is option B, football. Former Liverpool striker has passed away in April 2020. He won the League and League Cup award. This was the important fact. Next question. Which organization has released the first geological map of the moon? NASA, ISRO, USGS, ESA. Correct option is option C. USGS. USGS, United States Geological Survey. This was the full form of USGS. U means United, S means State, G means Geological, S means Survey is full form. Has released first geological map of the moon. It is freely available online and every person can visit online at this map. This was the important fact. And guys, next question. Who has been appointed as American envoy to OECD? Manisha Singh, Sanjay Sharma, Rakesh Singh, Anjali Jain. Correct option is option A. Manisha Singh. The President of USA has appointed Manisha Sharma as a new envoy to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Here we are talking about the OECD. So the full form of OECD is OE means economic, C means corporation, and D means development. Means economic cooperation and development is full form of OECD. And guys, this was the last question, and we will meet you next day with new question and answer that. Namaskar.